Is it okay?
Yes, sir, it's okay.
Okay, today we are going to have interview with Pranati Reddy. Pranati Reddy is one of the best and meritorious students of BV Raj Institute of Technology, who has been placed in OpenText as internship. At the same time, after that, she has been taken as permanent employee with a package of 7 lakhs. Of course, her sincerity at the same time, her hard work actually uh, deserves more. But of course, she got a very good package anyhow. It's about per month about 50 lakhs, sorry, 50,000.
Oh, sir.
Then that will take the interview of Pranati Reddy for enlightening many of the students who would like to and how they want to go for the interviews and how they want to face right the society and what actual enjoyment she had in right engineering during the 4 years of Devraj Institute of Technology. So altogether, let us have some right kind of conversation, a talk with Pranati Reddy, who has been from Hyderabad, that
Yes, sir.
pride of our Hyderabad. Okay, Pranati, please tell me your childhood. How was your childhood indeed? How do you feel in your childhood?
First of all, thanks for the introduction, sir. My childhood was simple like every other child, but I was mostly dependent, mostly self-dependent. I was an only child, but my parents never pampered me or something like that. Because of that, I know the value of life. I know the value of hard work, and because of my childhood, I'm the person I'm right now. Uh, like I have gone through much in childhood. I have seen many. I have seen much. I have seen struggle. I have seen. I have. I did many compromises. So because of all those things, I think what I am right now.
Okay,
So my childhood helped me a lot.
yes, yes. Uh, then I would like to ask one question to you here.
Okay.
Like, how did you feel? How do you feel? Right, an engineering.
Okay, in my BTech life. So uh, being in BV Raja Institute of Technology changed me a lot, sir. Pranati, from now and Pranati, when she was back 4 years, I'm completely different. I think so. Like 80% of me changed. My mindset changed. Like my thinking process changed. Like most of the things, I changed a lot, and I think it was for my good, and I'm happy for who I am right now. It changed not only in terms of knowledge or something. As a person, also I grew in these 4 years. So I'm grateful to BVR 18 and my 4 years of engineering.
Very good. Very good. BVRIT plays a major role because it's in nature, right?
Uh,
Right.
Maybe, yeah, of course.
The role of your parents in your achievements. What is the role of your parents
Uh,
in your achievements?
Achievement, this is like first step of my achievement, sir. There is much to go for me, but even though what I've achieved right now, my parents play a major role, because especially my mother, she's an incredible human being. She's like she struggled a lot, like I'm here because of her, because she supported me a lot. She like she has gone through many. I'm confident enough because of her. I can say that I can live anywhere. I can do anything. I can do anything I want. It is because of her. They have given me enough freedom. They have made me independent. So I'm grateful for that.
Okay, what was your dream in your childhood?
Actually, I wanted to become a lawyer, sir. I wanted to become, but because of the circumstances, I wanted to get settled sooner. And of course, I don't have any lawyer background. So yeah, I did engineering, but I'm happy right now because I'm good in life. I'm happy right now, and I'm doing something which I'm happy about. I also like software.
Okay,
So,
society missed a great liar, it seems. Great. Society missed a great liar.
uh, it's fine, sir. I'll be a great human being at least.
Okay. Good. Okay. Let's see. Why have you chosen only CSC?
Uh, it's not like I voluntarily choose, or just it went with the flow. After MSET, I applied for colleges, and I got into BVRIT. At first, I got ECE, and someone told me that it would be better in CSC. And in second counseling, I got into CSC. Uh, it was just with the flow, but in second year, I realized that what I have done is good for me. It suits me. CSA suits me. IT sector suits me. I like coding. I like being in a software industry. So it is absolutely. At
Okay.
first, I went with the flow.
If you wouldn't be software engineer, what was another profession you want to choose? Other than
Definitely
other,
lawyers.
other than
Definitely.
liar. Other than liar.
Other than lawyer, uh, maybe I would want to be a doctor.
Oh, great.
Maybe. Actually, recently I've seen a drama, and like I got inspired by it a lot. Doctors, they do a great job.
Okay. 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 Then, how was your lifestyle in BTech? How was your lifestyle of BTech?
uh, I can't just describe it in one word. So it changed. It changed from 1 year to 1 year. In first year it was new, and it was first year there were a few friends, and in next years I got other friends. Like I got more and more friends. Like now I have many friends in my engineering. They are like incredible friends of mine. I'm so happy that they are in my life. Lifestyle. I used to come to college. I was a class representative. I used to take responsibility for my class. I used to like participate in many activities. I used to, like for technical fests or any other fest, I used to play a part in that, organizing something or doing something. Every time I used to be busy in such things. So I became confident because of all such things, and I also had a playful and a very good engineering sir. It is because of
Very
my
good.
friends, and
A friend in need.
yeah.
A friend in need. A friend indeed. Is it?
Yes, sir.
It's a
Actually,
very good.
experienced many things. I think I
Yeah.
experienced many things in my
Great.
engineering.
Happy friendship day to you all. Anyhow, uh, from this channel, I am conveying all of you happy friendship day to your friends also. Right? Inform them and convey them.
Yeah.
Let's hope they'll meet again. Okay. So let us see. What do you like doing in your spare time?
In my spare time, when I right now I'm not teaching, but when I was in my BTech, I used to teach. I used to do home tutoring. After college, I used to go to home and tutor children. I used to do that for pocket money. I used to enjoy doing that because I also love teaching. I used to hang out with my friends. Have many friends, so I used to hang out with them. I also love cooking. Recently, I've started cooking, and I got interested into cooking. I'll be doing that. I will be watching novel. Sorry, I will be reading novels. I will be watching series, dramas, movies. Yeah,
Right.
I'll be doing all such
Today
things.
fancy.
Actually, sir,
Yeah, today fancy is that going abroad for MS.
uh,
Today
right
fancy is,
now,
today fancy is
sir.
that going abroad MS is a fancy today. Why didn't you try to become right an MS student?
So why didn't I become? So actually, right now I don't have any plans, sir. But in future, because I got the job, I'm earning. So right now I didn't feel need for it. Maybe I don't know. Maybe in future I'll go to MS. It's
Slowly.
50-50 kind of thing. I have to
Yeah,
think about it.
yeah.
Maybe if in 2 years, if I achieve, if I get into very good company, sorry, or a very good package, or if I get, if I'm happy and actually I'm happy right now, but if I'm satisfied with my life, then I won't be doing any. But if not, I will be, I think.
Okay. Who is your inspiration? Who is your inspiration?
Um, I don't think I have any one person as an inspiration, sir, because I have many people around me who inspire me every day. Like even my friends, even any of my friends do any one good thing, I get inspired by them. Like I get inspired by many people who do great things. So I don't think I have inspiration or one person or something like that. I get inspired by many people.
Right. Who influenced you more, your father or mother?
Mm,
Who
I
influenced
can
you
say
more?
definitely it's my mother, sir. She played a major role in what I am. How like I and my she was there with me every time, sir. Like uh, she used to not show me her care, but she used to care me a lot. She used to do everything beside me, but I used to know what she's doing for me. So it is like uh, she's the person, she's the reason for who I am right now. I can say that very proudly.
Very good.
She,
What message would you like to give to your juniors? What message would you like?
to my juniors, oh, guys, be confident. Do if you want to do any good things, do. If you want to learn anything, learn. Be happy. Be happy with life. Don't have like don't keep any regrets or something. Be happy with your life. Yeah.
Yes. Okay. Good. 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 What would be the profession that you want to become? Okay. And if how do you feel missing Amazon placement? How do you feel missing Amazon placement?
Not only Amazon, sir. I also missed Adobe. Both Amazon and Adobe are great companies with the booming package. I miss them both, and few of my classmates, few of my friends got it. I felt bad at that time. Obviously, I felt bad. I wanted to get it, but I think it was a fair decision for them because my those who got it were I think they deserved it. So I think it was a fair decision. Maybe I should work harder to get into those companies.
Yeah, definitely. You are very sincere and hardworking. Sometimes we feel that you are missing a great company like Amazon package of 13 lakhs and 28 lakhs of that. So, what do you feel about it? The package, what you got 7 lakhs to extends that 13, 28 lakhs. What do you feel about it?
Obviously, sir, I feel bad, but I think I shouldn't keep any regrets. That is the first thing I follow. If I get regretted of something, I don't think I'll move forward. So whatever I do, I think I have to do it before than regretting it afterwards. Yeah, it went. It was not a good thing that I didn't get selected, but it is fine. I'll work harder and
Yeah.
I'll be in a good position. I have confidence on myself that I.
Yeah, of course, you are very confident, and so that definitely you are going to reach higher places in future also. Surely,
Thank you, sir.
right? Where do you want to imagine yourself after 10 years?
Imagine myself as a strong, self-dependent woman. That is for sure. And I'll be happy and satisfied with my life. I should be. I don't have like I have to be in particular position, but I know what my surroundings will be, how I am will be, how I will be. Uh, so I will be something or the other I'll be doing to the society. Actually, I wanted to start an NGO about for women hygiene, and I have to help, and I want to help your poor students for the studies. I didn't even tell this to my friends or someone because I don't want people giving me looks that I can't be, that I won't be able to do such things. So I didn't tell anyone, but I want to do all those things. I want mainly starting an NGO. It is my dream. Uh, I really hope I'll be doing such things in 10 years.
Yeah. What's the difference between CSC and IT? Why have chosen only CSC? Even IT people
Uh,
got more packages. IT people got
uh,
more packages than CSC people. How do you feel of it?
Uh, it's fine, sir. Usually people think that CSE is more than IT, but I don't think so. Being a CSE student, I feel we both have equal opportunities, and whoever goes to it, whoever is more hardworking and whoever gets more knows more about it will get it. So I don't think there is some difference between CSE and IT. It just depends on an individual. I
What's the
think so.
cost?
Maybe we'll get a different answer.
Yeah, yeah. Tell me.
Maybe you'll be getting a different answer when you ask an IT student. But being a CSE student, I don't think there is some difference. Just depends on individual first.
Okay, what's your pastime?
Pastime, as I said, sir, I will be watching drama series. I'll be watching movies. I'll be watching all kinds, so that I'll be knowing more about things. I also like doing. I want to experience everything in life, sir. So I try to do everything. I try to know everything. Actually, yesterday also I'm in village right now. Yesterday also I went for farming. So yeah, it is not like I do some particular thing, but I want to explore many things.
Okay. How did
Yeah,
you?
I also hang out with my friends a lot.
Yes, yes. How did you improve your communication skills?
Uh, I think it is mainly we have to be confident. I was confident and I pushed myself to talk in public. Even though I was feeling scared, I pushed myself so that I felt if not now, it won't be any time in future. So I pushed myself in my first year also to talk in public.
Surely, sure,
Yeah, and I think thinking in English also will be helpful for us to improve our communication skills. I think.
sure. And how do you feel missing DVRIT?
Oh, I miss a lot, sir, because when I'm in my fourth year also, I miss the whole fourth year because of my internship and my job. Like I started my job in September 2019 when I was in my 4-1. So I missed everything in my fourth year. I used to go to college only like if I have something important or if I'm having exams. So then I missed a lot, and now also I'm missing a lot. We don't even have graduation or signature day. Yeah, maybe our batch is not lucky
Chill batch.
in that perspective because of this COVID-19.
Yeah, yeah. So how do you feel this COVID-19 crisis? How do we overcome this actually? What you think about it?
Oh, it is definitely a biggest problem right now, sir. Like uh, over like whole world is getting affected by it. Many people are losing jobs, and basically our juniors will face difficulties in getting placements because of COVID-19. So we have to stay strong. We have to overcome it. We have to take precautions. Yeah, I think we have to be strong in order to tackle this.
Yeah, exactly. Definitely, let us hope COVID-19 definitely will be totally perished soon.
Yeah,
Vaccine is going to come. Definitely, uh,
hope so.
we whatever we expect in future will happen. Healthy world. Okay. Who is your favorite faculty in engineering? Who are? I don't want to say who is. Who are your favorite faculties?
There are many, sir. I don't think it is unfair. I think it is unfair for me to choose few because, like for every semester, I used to have many faculties, and then the next time in semester, faculties used to change. Like every faculty helped me in some way or the other. I learn many things from my faculties, so I can't just name few. But of course, everyone is my favorite.
Can you name
I
some of
can't.
them, please? Quote the names of the people.
Of course, you sir. Like you helped me to think in a different way. Like you were my faculty in my first year. You helped me think in a different way. Like I remember one thing when you said like we were talking about reservation in our class, but you said why are you pointing reservation when like you shouldn't point out reservation. You should work hard to tackle reservation and to go into higher positions. You said that, that hit me hard, because till then I used to think it is unfair. But yeah, of course, right now also I feel unfair. But I think I shouldn't think about it. I should work hard. It just hit me hard. So I learned many things from you about life, about communication skills also, and also many many other faculties, sir. My HOD, Madhubabu sir, many other faculties. They helped me a lot.
Very good. How do the language of English play in one's role?
Language of English, basically we should have some language for communicating. So communication is important for other people to know what we want to tell, what is in our mind. So English is an international language, and of course, when we have to talk to international people who are not from our region, of course, we need to speak in English for them to understand. So yeah, it is important to know language, not
Okay.
only English but Hindi and
What are the
Telugu.
tips would you like to give? What are the tips would you like to give your friends to or your juniors to improve communication? Because you are really very good communicator. If the people want to become very good communicator like you, what are the tips you are going to give to your juniors?
As I told, sir, being confident is important. And one tip what I can give is sometimes think in English. Not I don't say every time, but a few times think in English. Learn vocabulary, Google about it, learn that new word, try to use it at some other place. In that way, you will be able to learn more words. You will be good at your vocabulary, and being confident will help you to speak more, and it helps you to be good at grammar. Yeah.
Sure, sure. And the last and final question I would like to ask you that here, okay, uh, how do
Okay.
you design your life in future? How do you design your life? What is your ambition to become?
Like I said earlier, sir, in 10 years, what I want to become, I want to become a strong, independent women, and I want to help society. And maybe people find it for me funny for me to tell this, but I want to be a great mother. Uh, because I have some like I can't go to the extent of doing something, but I want my children to go to that extent to do something for the society, to be selfless. Maybe I'm not that daring enough to do something, but I want them to do whatever they want and help society in every way, to think in a broader perspective. Yeah, I think I want to be a good mother, a good person, a good confident woman, and a person who helps society.
Okay. Uh, how does this virtual world, how does this virtual world is going to right change the society in future? Virtual reality, virtual kind of classes. Everything is going to be online today. How this
Uh,
will change the society tomorrow?
I really hope it won't be on. It shouldn't be online, sir. I think vaccine should come and people should go to classes. Uh, because yeah, it is fine if people are like they are catchy and they can learn things online. But few, not everyone are the same, and few people can't get something when they learn something online. They want face-to-face classes, so it will be difficult for them. So I think face-to-face classes are more easy, and it would be easy for both faculty and students than virtual classes.
Okay, yeah, as you said, it is right. But are these online classes are helpful for the right students really?
Yes, situation like don't have any option. Online classes are obviously a better thing. Something is better than nothing. So online classes are definitely helpful for students right now in the situation.
Okay, good. Thank you, Pranati, for right giving the interview for the channel Bitla for Better Life. Definitely, you are these right words.
Thank you,
These
sir.
words are going to enlighten and encourage the students will watch this video. Surely, definitely, I share to many people, and you also subscribe and share to the students after
Sure.
uploading to my channel. If any things are there, let's go for right editing and all. After that, I upload it. So that thank you very much for sharing your views, getting a job and all. Okay. However, you are very good and sincere and great personality. That you are going to reach the great places in your open text maybe or any other your aspiring companies. Definitely, I wish you all the best for your future endeavors. Okay. Congratulations and happy Friendship Day. Thank you. Bye.
Happy Friendship Day, all. Thank you, sir. Bye.